If you've been looking for a super simple strategy to achieve financial freedom in the next 15 years, then this is it. God, this fucking writing and stuff, man. It's just so bad. Oh my gosh. Now, the first step in your journey to financial freedom in the next 15 years is called the accumulation phase. And that's effectively where we go out and we buy the properties that are going to make you financially free 15 years from today. Now, the very first step is super simple. We go out there and buy a single income home on a nice big block of land in a quality suburb and a quiet street for around about $600,000 that rents for $550 per week. Now, once you've done that step, maybe you're in a strong enough financial position immediately to go out and buy the second one straight away. Or maybe like many of our clients, you've got to wait a couple of years for the equity and your savings to come back. But then you go out there and you buy a second home. So regardless if you buy the home and build the granny flat yourself or just buy one that's under the existing roofline, you're going to be spending about $800,000 and looking to get about $950 per week. Now, if we just pretend that you've completed this step today, so we add the $600,000 plus $800,000 properties, you're going to be sitting on $1.4 million worth of property after you complete step one, and around about $75,000 per year of income. So from here, let's just pretend it's 15 years after you've completed this first step and bought those properties. Basically, if we hold that first $600,000 property and it grows by 5% per year for the next 15 years, it's going to be worth $1.2 million. And then if we do the same thing for the $800K property and it grows by 5%, the second house and granny flat is going to be worth around about 1.6 mil. Now, if we do a similar thing for the rents, the first home is renting for $550 a week, and that rent goes up by 2.5% a year for the next 15 years. The rent on your first home is going to be just under $800 a week, and the rent on the house and granny flat is going to be just under $1,400 per week. So 15 years from today, owning the two houses, we should be sitting on about $2.8 million worth of property, and I'd like you to be debt-free, so you're now a multimillionaire. And if we look at the rents, over that 15-year period, we should be sitting on about $108,000 per year of rent. Obviously, there'll be some costs there, but the majority of that, once you don't owe the bank anything, will be a passive income stream for life. I think this super simple idea is very achievable for anyone out there that is a little bit disciplined, that is a little bit consistent, and that is earning somewhere between 80 and 200K per annum over the next 15 years. For those of you who love this strategy and would like to talk about it further, please jump over to www.pumpedonproperty.com, click that free strategy session button, and we can talk about where you are right now, where you'd like to be longer term. We can talk about this idea to get you to where you want to be, as well as a couple of others, and then you can take those ideas and go and implement them on your own in your own hometown, or potentially become one of the small number of clients that we work with each week. But either way, I really wish you all the best on your journey to financial freedom and hope this super simple idea can work for you.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah.
Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. That's so nice.